Hey guys, as you know that we're continuing with the questions that came in your IGCSE Edexcel Maths A, paper 1 for May, June 2026. We're doing the hardest questions. We're not doing all of the questions because I want you to focus on the ones that are different from the ones that normally come. In this video, we're going to do a question from paper 1, and this is a question about perpendicular lines. As you can see, the question says the line L is perpendicular to the line with equation y equals to 7 plus 4x. L passes through point A with coordinate 0, 19 over 2. L crosses the x-axis at the point B. We have to find the area of triangle AOB where O is the origin. Show your working clearly. Now, this was a 4-mark question and it was easy for some and difficult for others. So let's see how we're supposed to solve this. So let's first draw a rough diagram. This is your axis. Point A is 0, 19 over 2, which means it's on the y-axis. So let's say this is point A, which is 0 and 19 over 2. The point B is on the x-axis, so this is your point B. So let's connect A and B with a straight line. This is your line L. So we have to find the area of the triangle AOB, which is basically this. This is the area that we have to find. So we already have the coordinates for A, so which means we have the height of the triangle, that is 19 over 2. And as you can see, it's a right angle triangle, so we just do half times base times height. So to find the base, we have to find the coordinates of B. So we know that line L is perpendicular to y equals to 7 plus 4x. So what we'll do is, we'll use this line to find the gradient of this equation. Gradient is the number that is multiplied to x, which is 4. So m1 is 4. As you know, in perpendicular lines, line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, which means gradient of line 1 times gradient of line 2 is always equal to -1. This is a fixed condition for perpendicular lines. So if we have the gradient of one line, we can easily find the gradient of the other line using this equation. So we do 4 times m2 equals to -1, m2 being the gradient of line L. So m2 is going to be -1 over 4. This is your gradient of L. Now that we have the gradient of L, we can create an equation for L using point A and the gradient. So L is going to be y equals to mx plus c. M is -1 over 4. X comes as it is, and c is 19 over 2. Since c is the y-intercept, they've already given us the y-intercept in the question, which is point A. So just directly write that. You don't need to do an extra calculation. So B is your x-intercept. So to find the coordinates of B, you put y equals to 0. So that's 0 equals to -1 over 4x plus 19 over 2. So now we're going to move the 19 over 2 to the other side. So it becomes -19 over 2. The negative sign gets cancelled out, and we can cross multiply the 4 to the other side. So that's 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and we do 19 times 2, which gives us 38. So coordinates of B are 38 and 0. Y is 0 because it's on the x-axis. Any point that lies on the x-axis has a y coordinate of 0. So now area is going to be half times base times height. Base is 38 and height is 19 over 2. So that's going to give us 180.5. They haven't mentioned they want the answer correct or what, so you just write it as 180.5 units squared. That is your area of the triangle AOB. So it might look different from what you've gotten from perpendicular lines in the past, like they just asked you to find the equation or, a point, but in this case, they were asking to find the area of the triangle. So that's the only thing that I've changed. Otherwise, it's pretty similar to what you have practiced in possible questions. If you still have any questions or confusions, please leave a comment below and I'll help you out. you understood everything, please like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist. I'm going to attach the link above for the video that I've already made on perpendicular parallel lines using past paper questions. You should check that out for better understanding. And if you want to check out the other questions, like the hardest ones that came in the 2026 series from May, June, do check them out in the playlist mentioned above.